Live Listen turns your iPhone into a remote microphone, streaming audio directly to your AirPods or compatible hearing aids. It's an accessibility feature designed to amplify distant sounds, making it easier to hear in noisy environments or listen from afar. The iPhone's microphone captures the sound, which is then transmitted via Bluetooth to your paired headphones. This allows you to place your iPhone near the person speaking or the sound source you want to hear better. To start using Live Listen, pair your compatible headphones to your iPhone, enable the feature in accessibility settings, and place the iPhone near the sound source. First, ensure your AirPods or compatible hearing aids are paired with your iPhone. This creates the wireless connection needed for Live Listen. Next, open the Settings app and navigate to Accessibility. Then select Hearing Devices. Enable Hearing Devices Control. Then scroll down and turn on Live Listen. Add Live Listen to your Control Center for quick access by going to Settings, Control Center, and adding the hearing option. Now place your iPhone near the sound you want to amplify and listen through your AirPods. Adjust volume and balance for each ear directly from the Control Center or accessibility settings. The range extends up to 40 meters. Be aware of potential Bluetooth connectivity issues in crowded Wi-Fi environments.